To troubleshoot BMO Smart Saver, start by understanding what the service is and its common issues. BMO Smart Saver is a savings account offered by the Bank of Montreal that helps customers save money automatically by rounding up their debit purchases and transferring the change into a savings account. Step 1 is to check your account activity to identify any discrepancies or errors. Log into your BMO online banking or mobile app and review your transaction history to ensure all deposits and withdrawals are accurate. Step 2 is to verify your account settings. Check that your BMO Smart Saver account is linked to your debit card and that the rounding up feature is enabled. Also, confirm that your savings goals and transfer amounts are set up correctly. If you encounter issues with transfers, Step 3 is to check the transfer status. Ensure that the transfers are being made successfully and that there are no holds or restrictions on your account. If you find any issues, contact BMO customer support for assistance. Another common issue is with the rounding up feature. Step 4 is to review your debit card transactions to ensure that the correct change is being transferred to your savings account. If you find any discrepancies, you can adjust the rounding up settings or contact BMO for help. To prevent future issues, Step 5 is to regularly review and update your account information. This includes verifying your account balances, transaction history, and savings goals. By doing so, you can catch any errors or discrepancies early on and avoid potential problems. Best practices for troubleshooting BMO Smart Saver include keeping your account information up to date, monitoring your account activity regularly, and contacting BMO customer support promptly if you encounter any issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve any problems with your BMO Smart Saver account, ensuring that you can continue to save money automatically and reach your financial goals.